friends, today we are going to show how to configure vRops, how to install and configure vRops in our VMware environment. Before that, I have already downloaded vRops 6.3 from VMware site. So this is a VMware site where you need to log in with your credentials and you need to download vRops IS OBF. So here we are able to see the latest update. Latest one is 6.7. So today we'll be working on 6.3. I will be using a workstation for this. Give the name. I will import, accept the license. So importing the VROPS file will take some time. So I will be pausing the video. Okay. Now we have VROPS appliance available. It took 16 GB of RAM and 4 processors, 20 GB of a disk and 50 GB of a disk, 4 GB of a disk. Okay. So we'll power on the VM. Okay, the installation is completed. We're able to see the IP as 192.168.0.12. We can use the same IP. So I will create a DNS record for that. It's already there. So 192.168.0.12. Okay, I've assigned the IP. Like we need to access this using the browser 192.168.0.12. So HTTPS. Okay. Now we have three options available here: express installation, new installation, and expand an existing installation. We'll be going for new installation. So we need to provide a password. So if you have any certificate, you can configure here, but I will be using the default certificate. So the master name is Jobs, and you can use the NTP server configuration here. Just need to add the address of NTP server, but I'm not going to do that. Just click finish. So it will take some time. configure. If you're deploying OVF in on a vCenter, when you deploy the OVF, it will ask you, like, you will get options to add host name as well as IP address, all these things. I was using workstation, so I'm not getting the options to do that. When you deploy an vCenter, you will be getting that options, and you can assign the IP and host name there. So I will start cluster, click yes. Again, it will take some time to make cluster online.
कोथमीर पछड़ी ଅଛି।
We'll proceed with the evaluation license. Click finish. Now Erupts is ready. We'll add a center in this. You can create a service account for Erupts and you can add it here. Check what is the problem. CNT. Okay, there is some DNS resolution issue. So I will be using the IP of the vCenter server. So the test is successful now. and save settings. Then we'll start this vCenter after, and it's just started collecting the information. So it will take some time. We'll just wait for a couple of minutes, and then we'll see. Okay, I'll go to environment, go to inventory. So we are able to see the all the relevance to vCenter. So now vCenter is monitored by Europe. We can we can we can get the information about the VMs as well as ESXi boxes. In our next video, we will see how to upgrade VROPs from 6.3 to 6.6.